Okay, remove exclamation marks. Let's go. Write a function, remove exclamation mark that removes all the, well, that's pretty simple. We'll do it anyway. It's points on the board. We're at 165. I'm not even gonna write this down in my IDE. Well, maybe I should. Let's just do it anyway. In my own IDE. This would be remove exclamation marks. Okay, so I'm just assuming given a string, you want me to remove all the exclamation marks. So you give it hello world, take it off. So console.log, we're gonna do remove exclamation marks, do hello world. So right now it's not returning anything. We can have it return exactly what we give it, hello world. But what we want is to remove the exclamation marks. So let's do this with the what do we want to do? Let's try some regex. Let me think about how would I remove this with regex. I know how I would find it with regex, but how would I take it away? So we can do let reg equal, and we're just going to put this exclamation mark. So we can do actually that's not even necessary. We can just do the index of, and we can do equals s dot index of, give you one of these, and that's going to give us the index of this exclamation mark, and we can just slice that out. So we will return, we're going to slice it out first, so s dot splice it out. I don't think splice works for a string though. Does it? Let me see. Let me just test that theory. We'll start at 2, remove 1. Does that work? Nope. Splice isn't. So what we could do is change this to an array. So s dot let s split equal s dot split. And what this will do is split the array. Split this string into an array, and we can do s split index of there, and then it will give us that index, and then we can go ahead and do our splicing. Splice, and we're going to splice at the index of, delete 1, and that should change it. And what if we return that s split? We also have to join it. So s split, well, we don't have to do that there, we can do that actually here, dot join. And let's see, this should work. Yep, so we don't have an exclamation mark there anymore. But this doesn't remove all of them, this should only remove one actually. But it's only asking for, well, it says exclamation marks. So let's go ahead and do it to where we remove every one of them. So let's say it's one there, one there, one there, and we want to remove all of them. So I think what we can do is, while this is still split, maybe we can do s split dot remove. That's not a thing, is it? What am I thinking of? What can we do to get rid of these? Okay, what I could do is I can do a for loop for let I equal 0. If I is less than s dot length, well actually s split dot length, then I plus plus. And what I'm going to do is say if s split, this index is equal to the exclamation mark, then I want that s split to equal nothing. So that should get rid of it out of there. And let's see, once it's out of there, we don't need splice anymore, and we don't need this index of anymore. S split dot join, that might still work. Yep, so no matter how many exclamation marks we put in there, it'll just remove all of them now, I believe. Let's add something I call these things. Yep. So that's it. Oh, let's go ahead and test this first. Put that in here. Test. What about our results? There we go, we passed. And attempt, we passed everything, so that's it.